Greetings one, greetings all. It is a beautiful day. We are on our way to Anglesey. Ian and Peter want to take you somewhere very special. However, we need a little bit of assistance.
Let's go find somebody to ask.
Ble mae Beaumaris?
Angen chi droi rownd fan hyn, mynd draw nes bod chi'n cyrraedd tafarn yr enw The Antelope. Wedyn mae'n chi'n mynd dros y bont a dyle fod digon o arwyddion na yn gweithio chi fynd.
Oh, diolch yn fawr.
Iawn.
Morning, Peter.
What a beautiful morning.
Fantastic morning.
Where have we found ourselves today?
Today, Peter, we found ourselves in Beaumaris.
Plenty to see?
Oh, an awful lot to see.
Anything exciting around here?
There's one or two exciting things that we can see in Beaumaris, including, of course, the castle, very famous. Lots of history with the castle. Menai Straits, of course, we can see across to Puffin Island, we can see Llandudno, we can see Llanfyfechan, we can see Bangor.
A lot to do then. Do you think we'd better crack on and do it?
Let's go and have a look on the beach.
Okay. Well Ian, here we are on the pier.
Yes.
What a fantastic view we've got here.
Oh, we've got a superb view. Straight behind us we've got Aber and Aber Falls straight through the valley. Just over this way we've got Llanfyfechan, and out of shot over there we've got Llandudno. But of course the pier is a fantastic place for people at the end to come crab fishing, Peter.
Really? Have you ever caught any crabs?
Well, there are different types of crabs, and the crabs that are available for catching on the pier are somewhat elusive when the tide is out, and the answer to the question is no.
Okay, well let's see if we can find some.
Yes, let's.
Or catch some.
No, we'll find some.
Okay.
Well, the sea was definitely down there. No crabs though, just the sea. Ooh. What utterly fascinating little rooms we've got here. And little people too. So, what do you think of this castle, Peter?
I think this is one of the nicest castles I've seen in North Wales. It's very compact, squat, strong, lovely moat, ducks, drakes presumably floating around, accessible walls. What else have we got? It's preserved better than many of the castles in North Wales, I think. What do you think?
Well, I'm wondering about the floor that we stood on. Is this the original floor, Peter?
I would say yes. What would you say?
I would say no. And it isn't the original floor. In fact, the original floor is quite some way below us, and this has been built up as part of the preservation of the castle to look after it. A shame really, but Well, it's health and safety. Everything's got to be flat, hasn't it, Peter? Oh, that was fantastic. That's the castle dungeons. Peter, the castle dungeons are there.
Great Scott, what have you been doing down there?
Well, there's people still there. They're still in there. Like that, and go with the chains down there.
I think we should go up.
Okay, leave the buggers to rot. What's up, Peter?
It's this passageway, Ian.
Yeah,
It's the way to the battlements.
it's the way up.
That is the way up, and that is what's up.
Is that what's getting you down?
It is.
Well, if you go up, you won't be down.
Ian, terra firma. Oh, man, that was scary up there.
Enjoyed it?
I enjoyed the views, but I had to hang on.
Hang on.
Yes.
Well done, Peter.
Thank you. What do you think of the castle?
It's fantastic.
Splendid.
Where are you from yourselves?
We're
From the Wirral?
Mm.
That's a lovely place itself, isn't it? New Brighton and
yeah.
Wallasey. Yeah.
Quality.
How long are you here for?
Nice. 2
2
days, yeah.
Okay. Well, I hope you have a nice time.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for doing this for us.
No worries.
Hello.
Hello?
Can we come and have a look?
No.
Well, come and summon your lord. I would like a word.
Are you a Frenchie?
Of course I'm French. Why do you think I have this outrageous accent, you silly Arthur King and your English niggets?
You can't talk to me like that. I'm English.
Your mother was a hamster and your father smelt of elderberries.
That's good coming from you.
Well, now go where I'll taunt you a second time.
But I'm stuck in here. I can't go away.
Ah. Beaumaris. What do you think of Beaumaris, Peter?
I think Biwmaris is an absolutely wonderful place. There's 5 elements to it.
5.
Very important elements. First of all is they have the seaside.
Yes,
Secondly, they have the castle.
they do have the castle.
Thirdly, they have excellent parking.
Well, they have parking.
A lot of it.
Well, at £2.50 a time, yes.
Element 4, they have a coach pull-in place.
A coach pull-in place.
So coach drivers can pull off.
Aha! Well, that's a handy, useful resource if you're a coach driver.
And most of all, the 5th element.
The 5th element. Isn't that a naked woman?
No. It is this. Very important. A bustling high street.
Yes. Well, but wasn't the museum closed?
It was probably for safety reasons.
Oh yes, health and safety. They don't make things like they used to.
No. Anyway, time to go now. We've had a wonderful time.
Yes, it's been absolutely superb. Beaumaris has been a fantastic place. Everybody should come here.
Excellent.
Until next time.
Bye.
I think she'll cheat on her in Barcelona, Spain. Lost your trail while in Amsterdam. I picked it up on the Isle of Man.